how will I speak English? Because I made a lot of mistakes. Because you can see on my previous video, I made a lot of mistakes. I think you observe. So friends, I learn from the mistakes. How I learn from mistakes? Because I am motivated in my videos. That's I am mistake. What I mistakes. So friends, how to learn from mistakes? Because in previous you can see I made a lot of mistakes, and you can also learn from mistakes. In a If you are a beginner, you thought that how I will speak because I made a lot of mistakes. Don't see and don't look at the mistakes. You start speaking because in the first one, if you are a start, if you have a in a starting point, you thought that I will make a lot of mistakes. I don't able to speak. So think I learn from mistakes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Bedia. I hope you people doing well, fit and fine and great. I am also doing well, fit and fine and great. So friends, in this video, I am share with you how to learn from mistakes. Because I am also beginner. I am don't know a proper English, but I am try to speak in English, and I made a lot of mistakes in my previous video and in this video also. But I am learn from the mistakes. I don't look at the mistakes and only for speaking English. Because of the mistakes are motivated me to learn English, because that's why I am now able to speak English and something to speak English, and I am motivated, and now I am build up my confidence to speak on the front of the camera. So friends, how you can learn from mistakes? Because if you are a beginner, this is right, and also you are an intermediate level, how you can practice? So friends, if you are a beginner, so how to learn from mistakes? First of all, you are thinking that because I don't able to speak on the front of a camera, because I will make a lot of mistakes. That's why I am not able to speak English. So friends, this is not a good way to speak in English. So friends, first of all, you think that I will speak. Don't look at the mistakes, because mistakes will help you to learn speaking English. Because you again and again you mistakes in the speaking English, your speaking English is improved and you are able to speak in English, and your confidence level is built up. In the first, you make a lot of mistakes, because I am also made a lot of mistakes, but now I am able to something to speak. Yeah, I'm right. That is the power of speaking. So friends, don't look at the mistakes only for try to speak in English and learn from mistakes, because mistakes is motivated me, and you can also make mistakes, and you such a made a lot of mistakes, lot of, you are think that I will make a lot of mistakes today. That's why you are all to learn speaking English. So friends, thanks for this motivation and this to learn speaking English, because mistakes is give me a lot of chance to learn English and improve your English. So thanks for watching. If you are new on the channel, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icons at all. So thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Next.